at the Motorplex. And we just picked Nick up.
Hi everyone.
Because he's too lazy to walk. As you can see, this is a proper ride share here. I'm on my way to the track, and Nick happened to be going that way. He summoned me on his phone, and here we are picking him up.
Strictly speaking, that's true. Actually.
You can do some filming. Yeah, we're maintaining our 1.5 meters there, so yeah. Like most of you stuck at home, you're probably finding time to work on those projects that have been abandoned for the last few years. In saying so, we've decided to dust off the Camry. Well, not yet, but anyway, we're going to dust off the Camry and get that running again. We think with all this time on our hands, I think we'll try and make COVID-19 a bit of a blessing where we can. So we're going to dust it off and, well, dust it off. Do we need to dust it off? It's probably...
Not really, but we should probably get it detailed or something.
Yeah. So this has basically been sitting here for 2 years now since the last time we raced it. It's still got the same tank of fuel in it from then, so yeah, we'll see if it starts. Alright, let's see if she starts. You know what, the battery must be disconnected. Hey Nick, can you take the handbrake, take it out of park, we'll just push it back a bit. Give us a hand. There you have it. Oh, what a feeling.